Nari Sakhi. I am Lakshmi.
I'm Sanji.
Today we are going to make a herbal tea with lemongrass, ginger, turmeric and a lot of spices like a few cloves and cardamom, black pepper. It's very good to if you have cold and cough, but I like it also otherwise.
I like the herbal tea with honey or jaggery because it's a little too spicy, so it tastes better for me with jaggery or honey.
So let's get started. You're going to help me, right?
Yeah.
So I have cleaned turmeric and ginger, peeled up the skin and grated very nicely. If it's clean and organic, you can also use the skin. So here I have grated turmeric and ginger, basil leaves, tulsi leaves I have. You can use basil leaves also. These are dry spices, cinnamon, cardamom, cloves and black pepper. Very good for cough and cold. I've taken only 2 cloves. This is lemongrass, which is also good for cough and cold. Lemongrass, you cannot chop it off with hands. I like to chop my without using knife, but here you have to use scissors to cut the lemongrass. And now let's pound dry ingredients. And even if you don't have cough and cold visibly, you know, when there is an indigestion, there is a mucus in the body which comes out eventually. So this will help to get your digestion. It is helpful for digestion and also will help to remove the mucus which is inside. You may not have cough and cold outside, but inside you may have. So this helps. Once a week I'd like to take different herbal teas. So water to boil. Once it's warm enough, add whatever ingredients we have ready. Ginger. If you don't have fresh ginger, use dry ginger powder. If you don't have fresh turmeric, use fresh turmeric powder. Basil leaves, I have used tulsi. You can also use basil leaves, and tulsi is most of the time available. You can also powder it and keep it for winter season. Lemongrass, this will give nice flavor and also the aroma, and all the spices. Allow it to boil for 2 minutes and then we'll keep it for simmering. It smells heavenly here with the lemongrass and cardamom and cloves, the spicy sweetness, all those flavors. Make sure the pot is deep enough because the tea will come out, and it's experience. I've tried it a couple of times and learned it. So now it's boiling nicely. So now I'll put up the gas stove, lower it and simmer it for some time. And you can add sweeteners if you like jaggery, honey. I don't prefer sweeteners in my herbal teas, but you can add to get to fight away that spiciness. So this tea is ready. I like to put some lemon slice on that. Enjoy and post if you have any questions or comments.